You might think this is an old well, but this well secretly encodes the diameter of the earth, the distance from the moon to earth, and the measurements from Vastu Shastra. This is Bir Ka Khazana Baudi, literally the well of knowledge. Let's decode how this ancient geometry connects to the cosmos. So the word Bir Ka Khazana literally translates to treasure of the brain. In Sanskrit, we'll call it Gyan Vapi. This well is not just geometry, it's an ancient encyclopedia of astronomy, geometry and Vastu principles. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 1. From Amausha to Purnima, 15 phases of moon, 15 steps are there. You can see the change in the type of stone. This looks old, this looks new. This is later constructed by the government for security reasons, and this is the old construction. This well is made with Manduk Vastu Purush Mandal, which is made with 8 by 8 divisions. If we take that circle and create 32 divisions in angular, 32 angular divisions, so one division will be of 4 feet. And if you look closely, this step, the width of the step is 8 feet 1 inches, which falls inside 2 divisions of that mandal. This well is popular for the 3 tunnels. As per internet, they are as long as 2.5 kilometer. You can see 3 benches here. There are 3 tunnels. 2 tunnels bring water and 1 tunnel diverts the water to other location. So because the shape forms as an exponent, the 3 tunnels, even there are 3 steps that goes inside the water as an entrance to the water, 1, 2 and 3. Clearly it's an exponent symbol, or it can also be a north symbol, which is also exactly pointing towards the north direction. The triangular formation symbolizes the summer triangle. 3 stars from 3 different constellations, Vega, Altair and Deneb. Our ancestors used this triangle as a GPS to track directions, seasons and time just by looking at the night sky, which helped in their agriculture and journeys. I have taken raised to the power 3 for multiplying the values that we get from the diameters of the inner and outer well. And yeah, surprisingly, they all matches to the diameters of Earth and distance to the moon. Let's draw the first inner circle. This is the inner diameter of this well, which matches exactly to the Earth's equatorial diameter. I will tell you how. The diameter is 12.54 meter. If you convert this into kilometer, that becomes 0.01254 kilometers. And then if you take the 10 raised to the 6, it will be 12,547 kilometers. Nearly matches the equatorial diameter of our Earth. Now if we take circumference from this diameter by multiplying it with pi, the circumference becomes 39.419 meters. Now again converting it into kilometers and then giving it a power of 6. Do you know what this value is? This value matches exactly to the circumference of our planet Earth. Circumference means same, the full circle band of the Earth on the equator part, on the equatorial part, which is exactly equals to 39,419 kilometers. Now let's move toward the outer dia. The diameter of the outer circle of this well is 19 meters. Again, about this length, if we took the circumference of outer circle by multiplying it with pi again, the circumference becomes 59.81 meters. I did some overthinking about this, and then doing the outer dia, something came out of my mind and took the square of this value. So if you take the square of 59.81, so the square becomes 3577.23. If given a power of 6, after converting into kilometers, becomes 3,57,723 kilometers. What is this? This matches approximately to the nearest distance between moon and earth, the perigee point. One can derive the height of the king this well was built for. So this is the scale made by me for Vastu measurements. Kishku Hasta is made with 24 angula, Prajapatyam Hasta is made with 25 angula, Dhanur Musti Hasta is made with 26 angula, and Dhanur Graha Hasta is made with 27 angula. And you can also see that there are 6 angulas marked here. So with this ancient dimensions, I can also explain the dimensions that I have taken from this well. So this well is created with 15 hastas, that are 15 Kishku hastas. So if this is one hasta of Kishku hasta, so this multiplied into 15, that is the diameter of the well. The inner diameter of the well in terms of IID measurements is 359 angulas. If we take the circumference in that measurement, that is 1129 angulas. 1129 angulas is a very auspicious measurement in terms of Kishku hasta. So why 15 hasta for the inner well? Because it takes 15 degrees for the earth to rotate in 1 hour, and it takes 360 degrees to rotate in full day. That knowledge is encoded here. We can find that kind of knowledge encoded in the measurements of this well. The designer knew that earth rotates. The designer knew that earth is a circular shape. So yeah, all this knowledge was there, but they didn't write it down like a normal script. They wrote it in terms of measurements. 14 feet 7 inch is the depth from there, and then if we add the depth of the well which has the water, it overall sums up to 22 feet. So then I thought, what is 22 feet? Then I came to know that 1 dandak is equals to 11 feet. So it can be said that this well is built using 2 dandakas. Considering the 2.5 kilometer length, we can say that using the highest measurement unit in ancient Vastu, that is Rajju. 1 Rajju is of 88 feet. The tunnel is built using 93 Rajjus. One can derive the height of the king this well was built for. So if 3 by 8 is 1 angula, then we can multiply it by 8 to get the face sizes, the size of the face or the size of the palm. And if we multiply that length by 9, so the height of the king comes to be 5 feet 10 inches. So it's an interesting fact or the use of Vastu where one can go back and forth in time. If we look at the structures, one can find the length or sizes, the proportions of the owners it was built for, or if one has to build something, then his own proportions can be used as the measurements, as the base measurement to construct anything. लगा नहीं था जब बचपन में जाता था, the place which holds a universal knowledge इतनी खराब तरीके से मेंटेन होगी. This time I made sure I will clean it first.
नाही ते डिस्टन्सवर आणि घरावर डिपेंड आहे म्हणा. चला काम रुकना नहीं चाहिए.
कुछ बातें हैं जो मुझे मेरे काका से सुनने मिली. यहाँ एक स्टोन था जिस पे गोल्डन इंस्क्रिप्शन थी. उसका क्या हुआ? लोगों ने चोरी कर लिया. यहाँ एक मेटल साइन बोर्ड था जो गवर्नमेंट ने लगवाया था, स्वच्छता रखा, डू नॉट लिटर. उसका क्या हुआ? लोगों ने उसको कट करके छुड़ाया एंड पता नहीं उसका क्या. अब इसमें ब्लेम किसको करें किसको नहीं, इसलिए आई फर्स्ट शोड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस प्लेस and now I'm spreading how it should be treated. As from the video you saw that I cleaned the well, the area and the periphery of this well. The reason is not only for cleanliness, because if we keep our heritage clean, you know the tradition of pitras, right? We do good for our ancestors to keep our family, our life safe and happy and prosperous. ये वाला 5वां ventilator है. This is the 5th ventilator of that tunnel. So as per sayings, in reality ऐसे total 52 tunnel ventilators है. मतलब 2.5 किलोमीटर टनल की जो लेंथ है, it is not a fake thing, it is real. तो आप उस तरफ देखो तो ये टनल वेंटिलेटर क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? तो it is used for cleaning, rainwater harvesting, remove a blockage from any spot in between. You can see that there are two ventilators in the river, and rest 45 ventilators are along that side of the river. About the tunnel also, the tunnel is 5 feet 3 inches in the height at the entrance of the well. At that height, the emperor used to send a team of short people who used to be the excavators of the well. और उस वक्त बिना मशीन के, बिना किसी चीज़ के, जो ये नदी है बिंदुसरा नदी, इसके नीचे से उन्होंने टनल बनाया हुआ है. तो ये सब काम देख के ख्याल दिमाग में आता है कि इतना सब बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा होगा. तो the construction took 47 years. The architect of this well is Raja Bhaskar. This well, if you find on internet, the construction was completed around 1583 AD. There's a theory I will put about the construction of this well. 15 hasta is the diameter. Let's say it was built during 1500 AD. 1 hasta is equals to 24 angulas. So that comes to be 1524. Let's say that the construction started in 1524 AD. So how long it took? Circumference is like the circular bar to complete one thing, right? If that number is taken as the period of completion from 1524 to 47 years, like roughly around 1572. सो ये भी डेट इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगी ये जानने के लिए कि उन लोगों को इतना सब करने में कितना टाइम लगा. My heartfelt gratitude towards all the designers, राजा भास्कर and his team. जितने भी लोगों को उन्होंने काम पे रखा और जितने भी लोगों ने बनाया, the person who funded this project, the emperor of the place, the person who started this, and the person for whom this place was built. I have all my gratitude for you guys. As you all know that our books are burned down by outsiders and we have lost a lot of a part of our history. Indians were so smart that they know how to decode information inside things so that nobody could destroy that and nobody can take over the information. All the information is here only. We just need that technique and knowledge to find it out again and revive our culture. अपना कल्चर कोई घिसा पिटा सुपरस्टिशंस में अटका हुआ नहीं है. हर रियलिटी का जो ज्ञान है वो कहीं ना कहीं एक तो मिला हुआ है या मिलता रहेगा. It's a cycle of life. This well shows us one thing. Our ancestors didn't separate science and spirituality. They merged it with design. If this blows your mind, share it with someone who thinks that ancient India was unscientific. Hit subscribe, hit follow. Thank you so much. Thanks a ton to मेरे काका जिनकी वजह से ये well clean हो पाया और मैं यहाँ पे आ पाया. So this is Kishore Maske. He was the man standing behind me in the whole period of time and he is the person who cleaned this along my side. Thank you.
धन्यवाद.